All right, so now we're going to do one from the side. So we have our wrist. We have our slightly skinnier box because it's the side of our hand. We're going to have the muscle for the thumb. And then the fingers are going to come out of this big knuckle here. And you can see how it gets smaller again at the end. And then the fingers come out in three parts. 1, 2, 3. And really, if we just draw that first finger, we can get the feeling of a hand pretty easy. And then the thumb comes out 1 box, 2 box, and a little bit. So we have the box for the muscle and the knuckle. We have the box for the first part and the second part. And if you wanted to do the other fingers, you could. You just have to do the boxes behind. Okay? All right, and then if we trace again, so we have a light pencil drawing that we can erase any of the parts on the inside. We erase those parts, and then we go back and we trace the important parts. The wrist, the hands, the knuckles, this first finger, the bump for each one, and the muscle here. Flat on one side, curved on the inside, and then we have a little bit of a bump for the wrist. And we can see how that becomes the hand pretty easily. And we can do the second part again. Now, I usually like to do a little bit smaller or lighter lines for the finger in the back because it shouldn't show up as much as the finger on the front. All right, and then we have our hand. Now, if we were to shade this, maybe we would make this one a little bit darker because it's behind, right? And this one could be a little bit darker because it's behind. And now it looks like fingers are in front, fingers are in the back.